Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what is your company all about?
Inspire Leadership Consultancy Inc. and
Salt and Light. Salt and Light Ventures.
Yes, we're sister companies. We're in training, and we also have mga speakers that we can provide companies for their team building or corporate events. And
Can you expound more, ma'am, on the services that you offer specifically, ma'am?
okay.
Okay, for Salt and Light Ventures, we have, and also for Inspire, we do public workshops and seminars that is offered for for different companies, even for parents and the academe, even for students. And we also conduct in-house trainings. If there are requests, we do conduct corporate trainings, and we also provide, as she mentioned earlier, speakers for the different requirements of companies.
Yes.
So what sets you apart from the competition, ma'am?
I think what really sets us apart is for all the speakers that we have, we make sure that our speakers are, like they practice what they preach, and yes, they're practitioners, and then they have degrees also in their specialization in their field. And the services that we offer, we also customize programs, and like the things that we we want to know the needs of a company before we send our proposals and quotations for that.
Yeah. In addition to that, what sets us apart is that we carry the brands of John Maxwell, Zig Ziglar for Inspire Leadership, and also we both carry Francis Kong, but mostly for Inspire. Francis Kong and Anthony Pangilinan. For Salt and Light Ventures, most of our facilitators or speakers or trainers are actually doctorates. They have a PhD level. They're in PhD. We have like Dr. Ned Roberto, who is a guru in marketing. Yes. We also have Aggie Sarthu, she has a PhD in OD, and she does strategic planning. So, and also other experts who are really who really know what they talk about, and they're practitioners as well.
Do you have any expansion plans in terms of the company or any for your services, or developing more products or services?
Maybe for Inspire, we're developing, or we have a program that we call it T3. It's train the trainers for developing the leaders, so we can bring it in their companies, and we can accredit a facilitator in the company, and then they can cascade it to all the employees. And we also have that for other Maxwell programs, like, as I've mentioned, developing the leader, 360 also, and we're going to come up with 5 levels of leadership.
For us, we're doing the same. We're also doing the TNT, training the trainers. Together with that is that we're also into publishing, so we publish a lot of books. So we have started to invite authors, local authors, to have their books available online through Salt and Light Ventures. Aside from that, we've also done other services like the Text Mobile, wherein you can get messages from John Maxwell. All you have to do is register beauty messages also from Joyce Ann Burton. So that's for enhancement and confidence. We also have mga inspirational messages from the Bible that you get. And also, what's the other? We also have about entrepreneurship. You also get messages from that. The latest that we've launched is inspirational ringback tone. Together with, it's together with 700 Club, wherein the proceeds of the service will go to Operation Blessing and other CBN Asia ministries. Yeah.
How do you view the market that you're servicing, and how do you adapt if there are any changes in the market?
Because we're into training, I think now we want to focus more on relationships. So we feel that it's going to be a relationship economy in the future. So we really want to build on that, build on people enhancement and people development. And I think if focusing on that will also help companies grow in terms of the people, that relationships within the company.
the needs of companies for training is growing and changing, and it's evolving. So we'd also like to say that we're also open to other experts who are thinking of moving from a corporate environment to training. So we're open to that as long as we find them credible and they are really experts of what they say and they can actually transfer knowledge. That's how Salt and Light and Inspire Leadership Consultancy is here to welcome those leaders, those individuals, and then if they're really willing to share, we're willing to help them out with this thing. So that's one way, and we're prepared to change also our programs. All of our facilitators in our roster are very flexible and they're very versatile. So they do make changes and they continue to study. So like see Francis Kong, even if he's known as an inspirational speaker, he goes to Harvard, he takes short courses. It's the same thing with all our speakers. They continue to educate themselves. I think that's one of the reasons which also separates us apart from the rest.
For prospective clients or customers, how do they contact you to avail of it?
Okay.
Sige, I'll get our código because we have our new numbers because we just transferred office. For any training needs, I hope you can get in touch with us. You can look for me, Big Key. Our new numbers is 631-0658 and 631-0660. And maybe I can also give a cell phone number just in case they can. It's 0917-833-0723. And we'll be happy to be of service to you.
For Salt and Light Ventures, you can look for me. I'm Ella Publico, and our telephone numbers are 813-2703-2332. And you can also shoot out an email to me at ella@saltandlight.ph or visit our website, which is saltandlight.asia. And you can also text me if you want at 0917-801-9718.
Thank you, and hope to hear from you from Inspire Leadership Consultancy Inc. and Salt and Light.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the time. Thank you.